Hi, innovators. Have you ever wanted to teach kids about space in the most exciting way possible? Today, we're using Canva to create a blast-off to space simulation. From the planets to the moon, we'll design an adventure that's as fun as it is educational. And the best part? You can use this method for any subject that you want. Let's get started. To get my text ready for my story today, I came to ChatGPT and I asked it for 5 ideas for an introductory lesson about outer space for kids. Then it gave me these 5 ideas: blast off to space, crafts for solar systems, constellation exploration, ask an astronaut, and outer space music and movement. So, I chose this one. Next, I asked it to write me a 30-second or less script for a YouTube video about this first idea here. And it did. Nice. Okay, so now that I have this ready, the next thing I'm going to do is record my voices. So let's do that next. Right now, I'm inside ElevenLabs. This is where I'll record the voice narration for my story. So, come here to text-to-speech. This is where you'll paste in whatever you want the voices to say. And you can come here to search for voices. There's a lot of them in here. You can kind of look through these and listen to them by clicking on the triangle here.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our present.
The thing always happens that you really believe in.
All right, I will use Brian. So I'll go back to text-to-speech. Just make sure that you have your voice chosen here. There we go. Next, I'll take my text and paste it right here. Then I'll click on Generate Speech. To download it once it is done, you just click right there. Now I'll do the same thing for the rest of my story's text until it is all recorded. All right? Now we'll go on to the next step, which is actually starting to put all our pieces together and create an actual animated cartoon video for kids. Now I'm in Canva and I'll start putting my video together. So first, I'm going to come here to YouTube video. I could also go to video here, so I'll click on YouTube video. It opens up a new page for me. And then I'll add a few pages because I know I'll need them soon. But first, I'll go to the beginning. The first thing I'll do is add my narration, so I'll grab my voices, open up my uploads, and drag them in. The first one goes right here. I'll stretch this page to match the audio length. I'll also make it a little louder, maybe 120%. For the second scene, I'll do the same. Come here and scoot this over a little. The beginning of the story needs to match the spaceship reference. I'll go to Elements and look for Rocket. Go to Graphics, then choose one in here. I can always go to videos and see what's in there too. I'll use this cartoon video. I like the moving buttons and colors. I'll also blow it up a little, put it in the middle and animate it by adding the zoom feature. Right here, I want to add a new page. I'll put a countdown here. I think I'll choose this one and fill the page. Scoot this over. Change the playback, make it a little bit faster. Next, we'll go to Graphics. Let's see what we can find. Look for speed lines in the video area. I'll choose this one. I'll flip it that way. Good. All right, now I need a spaceship. I'll choose this one. All right, let's enlarge it. Now, I'll move it off the page about like that. Then I'll duplicate it. On this page, I'll make the rocket bigger. I'll add an animation on exit. There we go. Make it faster. In between, I'll add a match and move transition. All the way up. We've still got a good bit to go. I'll chop up the narration below and then match up my story images with what's happening in the audio. I'll just right-click to split the audio. That one didn't go where I wanted it, so I'll try it again. I'll split this audio up and put y'all on hold while I finish it, then I'll come back. It's time to add the next page image. I'll right-click on the page and split it. Right there, I'm going to add an astronaut floating outside the cabin. So go back to Elements. I think I'll add this one. Time-wise, it's very long, so I'll click on playback and speed it up. Now it's much shorter. I'll click on Animate and choose Zoom In. Next, I'll split this page again to make a new page, and I'll move this over here. For this part, I need to add a cartoon sun, so let's look in graphics. Since I didn't find anything I like, I'll make my own. So for this scene, I'm going to use these stars. And I'll add this sun image to the center. For the next scene, we'll add this cool planet video, perfect for this project. And for the following scene about the moon, we'll add something similar. We'll take this moon graphic. Since it's such a nice animation to make this video consistent, let's add a dissolve in between pages. Now it's time to add the Earth. Look for Cartoon Earth. We've got several to choose from. Some are in graphics, some are in videos. So I came across this, and it was a nice animation that works well with my story. So I'll center it and animate it using Photorise. Add another dissolve between pages. In the story, the narrator mentions waving, so I will add that. Go to Graphics, click on Animated. I eventually found these hands, so I'll add them in here. I don't want them in the whole shot, so I'll click right here on these 3 dots. Go down to Show Element Timing and change the time length there. All right, we're nearing the end now, so let's make our last scenes where we're getting ready to return to Earth and finish this lesson. So look for astronaut in videos. Let's choose this guy here and we'll animate him with a photo zoom. We'll also enlarge him a little. Now take the page and shrink it down to fit the narration better. Then add another dissolve between pages. And at the end of this lesson, why not add a solar system? Let's find one. Okay, I'll choose this one. Make it fill up more of the page. Center it and change the timing since it's a little too long. We'll go to playback and speed it up. It's still longer than I want, so I'll just adjust the page like that. Now the video is done, so I will go to File, go to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, that all the pages are included, then click on Download. The next thing I'll do is upload this new story to YouTube, my website, my favorite social media channels, or wherever I choose.
Welcome, Space Cadets. Today we're blasting off into outer space. Are you ready? Let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3. Blast off. Whoosh. Look out the window of our spaceship. There's the sun, the center of our solar system. And over there, look out the window. It's Mars. Amazing. Next stop, the moon. Imagine walking here like the astronauts do. And there's Earth, our beautiful blue planet. Wave hello, kids! Great work, explorers. Ready for more adventures next time? We'll revisit the stars again in our next lesson.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.